No firsts. No first hug. No first kiss. No first date. No first love. Hey Girly Pops, it's Girly Pop Gwen, and for video journal number 2, we have this video titled No Boyfriend Since Birth. I totes don't want to be alone in this video discussing it, so I invited a few people who, guess what, share the same experiences. Girly Pop Queen.
Girly Pop Mark.
I'm Girly Pop Jordan.
Hello, I am Girly Pop Paul.
Girly Pop Yan. Girly Pop Jules.
Girly Pop Gab.
I am Girly Pop Ira.
Girly Pop Green.
My name is Girly Pop Jape.
My name is Girly Pop JB.
$16.
16.
15 years old.
16 turning 17.
16. 17. Turning 17 Saturday. Turning
16.
14.
14 as well.
I am 16 years old, turning 17.
I'm 14 years old.
So, to me, love is saying yes when you could have said no.
Siguro, love is something na madaling ma-define earlier in life. And the more you progress through time, love becomes much more complex and more than just a four-letter word. So for me, currently, ewan ko, baka magbago rin yung meaning ng love sa akin pag tanda ko pa. For me, love is complex. It has many branches and could lead to either be good or bad.
For me, love is still undefined. I don't want to give any explanation or definition since it's still, unknown.
To me, love is comfort. Comfortable ka sa sarili mo. Like, you can show things na hindi mo napapakita sa iba, dun sa loved one mo. And comfortable ka, syempre. Pwede ka mag-open up anytime. Ganun.
Si Jules. What's love? Pera?
Love is a cycle.
Love means consistency for me.
Love is unconditional.
Love is yung aso ko si Sana. Love is something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng energy. Or it's just something na dapat tina-treasure and binibigay sa mga taong sigurado ka at sa mga sa mga taong nagpapasaya sa'yo at sumusuporta sa'yo kahit you're in the difficult place right now.
Love for me is choosing the person every time. It's giving reassurance and don't make them overthink. Loving a person is really important because I have loved so many people but they didn't give the love back to me.
Always a prospect, never pursued.
Kasalanan ko ba yun? Ewan ko, siguro sa circumstances din. Kung gugustuhin, pwede naman. Pero, it's more of just finding the best and right time to have a relationship. Ganun.
I think it's because I still haven't found the right person and I'm still not ready for those kind of things.
Siguro commitment issues. Like, siguro may mga naging kausap ako na hindi ko napanindigan or Hindi ko tinuloy kasi I am committed sa ibang things like passion, ganun, sports, anything.
Ate ko, independent woman kasi ako. Ako din, independent woman kami dalawa since birth.
Ngayon, inuuna ko na basketball. Dati, na-reject ako.
Sabi ng mga magulang ko, itatakwil ako pag nagjowa ako.
Ako? Bakit?
Takot din ako mabuntis ng maaga.
Ako, ba't ako single? Di ko alam kasi naghihintay pa ako sa sign ni Lord. Kasi instead na hanapin ko, hintayin ko na lang po siya pumunta sa akin because takot pa ako sa commitment. Takot pa ako mag-commit sa isang relationship.
Same.
Secret. Di pa po kasi nakasagot ng nililigawan ko eh.
I think because I am single because of people judge me because of my past that think that I am a red flag. But I think if they have given me a chance to redeem myself, I think I have done better.
Kumain ka na.
Good luck sa ating dalawa. Sana kapag nakilala kita or kapag dumating na tayo sa point na yon, I hope you would be my first and last.
Take care of her. My future self.
Good luck siguro. Sana matiis mo. And love me for who I am.
Wait lang, wala to sa rehearsal. Wala to sa script. Be patient with me. Wala lang, pipikunin kita pero dapat hindi ka mapipikon. Kasi iiyak ako eh. Same. Ang masasabi ko is, wala lang. Mag-a-adjust ako for you. Pero, mag-adjust ka rin for me. Yun lang.
Huwag kang mairita sa akin.
Sana wag mo ako i-divorce. Ay, wala pa pala tayo. Annulment, wag pala. Pakasalan mo ako.
Hi kay dyan! Shout out sa'yo! Ako, message ko sa'yo is magpakita ka na.
Akala ko po naghihintay ka na.
Ay, oo nga, naghihintay pala ako.
To my future lover, I hope masaya ka. And I hope na nabibigay ko sa'yo ang pagmamahal na ninanais mo. Yun lang, thank you.
I will assure them that I will genuinely love them and I will be faithful to them. That's it all. Thank you.
Hi again, Girly Pops. That is the end of our video journal number 2. See you again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.
Bye, Girly Pops!
Bye, Gwyneth! Bye, Girly Pop Gwen! Bye, Girly Pops! Bye, Girly Pop!
Bye, girly pops!